Hi, Carol Rivet here. I just wanted to do a quick review of my six-figure funnel. I'm really happy about the results I'm getting, the results my team's getting. This is just today, okay? And this is just from sending out from the budget-friendly resources that I have on the traffic resources, okay? That's what these are, and it takes time to convert cold traffic, okay, to where you're getting signups and to where you're being successful. Now, it's not just me. There's a lot of other people having success with this, okay? And what I've changed now with this is right here. I'm starting to tweak some of the things for those that want to do your primary business. You can put your primary business in here. And if you need help with setup, just let me know. I'm here. Okay? I'm here for you. But I can't help you if I don't know that you need help. Okay? So again, I'm really happy with this funnel. The videos, this one's very generic, just about the funnel. And then of course GDI. And then the first one, I mean, what's great about this funnel is that it's focused around GDI, that, a $10 funnel, that's an attraction, and then your marketing system leads lead, and you get the whole funnel with the bridge page, capture pages, sales page, and then an email series of over 300 emails, okay? And that's what takes so long, is switching the email links over to yours. But if you do like 10 a night or something, and then get the traffic is affordable, it's budget friendly, and it's also only takes maybe 15 minutes to do and to send out. And as you get more leads in, get sales, get commissions, you can scale and get another traffic resource. And I'm scouring right now. I have a couple more leads on some new one-time payments that are low. I'm not talking about one-time payments of $500. I'm talking lower payments, a lower cost of $20, $40, whatever the case is, one-time payments, and you get traffic forever. But it needs to be good converting traffic, because if it's garbage traffic, you just might as well flush the money down the toilet. So anyways, that's it for today. I just wanted to go over this. I was really happy with this, and this is a Sunday. So sometimes Sundays are good, and sometimes not so much. And besides this, I made a post on Facebook early in the morning. Was it. So that did get a couple opt-ins too with that. So I'm really happy with this. Anyways, click the link below and go through the funnel yourself and take a look and see if this funnel can be the answer to your success online.